Today I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian moi-moi that is so delicious. It has this buttery feel to it that you are going to love, so keep watching. First, you want to peel the skin off your beans and then go in with the pepper mix, which is some bell peppers, plenty of onion, your scotch bonnet, and seasoning. I like to add the seasoning at this point so that everything blends together with the beans. You don't want to bite into seasoning when eating your moi-moi. Not nice. Next, I'm going to go ahead to cook some mackerel with some curry, a bit of thyme, some chicken seasoning, onion powder, and water. In about 10 minutes, it should be ready. Take it off the stock, save the stock, we'll need it for our moi moi later. You can also smoke your mackerel if you prefer. The next important thing to do is debone the fish properly and then break them apart a little bit. Now what I like to do is add the bones from the fish into our moi moi mix, which I am going to blend. That is going to also help to enhance the taste of our moi moi. Once everything is done, transfer into a blender, add a bit of water, some oil as well, and blend until it is smooth. Continue until everything is done. Now everything is properly blended, I'm going to add our deboned fish into the moi moi batter. One important thing you should not miss is mixing your batter very well with the aid of a whisk to incorporate air into it. That is going to give the moi moi that fluffy effect. Okay, so add any topping of your choice. I've also gone in with some corned beef. I'm going to loosen it up with a little bit of water. Remember, we blended this batter with some oil, okay? But if you didn't, you can add oil at this point. Now add your salt to adjust and mix everything well to combine. You can scoop this into a moi moi pouch and cook like I'm doing now, or use moi moi leaf if you have that available. I also like to add 1 egg and continue until everything is done. I have a pot of water boiling over here. Once I'm done wrapping, I'm going to place the moi moi pouch in there, cover and cook for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. Once the moi moi is cooked, you'll be able to perceive it and you'll know. Other than that, once you touch it, it should feel firm, and that is it. I hope you enjoy this. You can serve this with bread, with custard, pap, however you prefer. See you in my next video. Bye.